swear, yun talaga yung ine-expect ko na school na magre-recruit sa akin out of high school. Kasi doon nanggaling yung brother ko
Oh
eh.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, third year high school pa lang ako, going fourth year. Mindset na ako, alam ko, Lasal ako pupunta.
Mm-mm.
Pero, I don't know what happened. Ate na yun, nandyan. Bigla, ni-recruit nila ako. May games pa ako nun sa high school. They've been watching me si Sir Paulo Trillo.
Mhm.
And
Mm.
then parang, I don't know what happened exactly, pero parang nagkaroon ng misunderstanding yung brother ko, si Carlo, pati yung Lasal. So, even him, oh, what happened? Sorry.
Okay. You good, you good.
You're good.
Sorry. So, even yun, nagkaroon ng problema. Parang sinabi na lang din ng kuya ko, don't go to Lasal, just stick to Ateneo. Tapos
Mm.
yun na,
Everything
all the
happens
way.
for a reason
Buti
naman.
Good
na lang you
decision.
stayed all the way, Kuya Raba.
Hindi ko talaga ina-expect Ateneo. To be completely honest with you guys. Talaga ako from third year to fourth year mindset, Taft. Taft. Pero wala. Buti na lang napunta ako sa Ateneo. Yun na
Buti
lang
na lang.
masasabi ko.
Yun.
Buti
Ah,
na lang talaga. Buti na lang.